speak teacher also.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday and last day tomorrow. I hope it will be Saturday so that it's rest day. How are you guys? I'm here again on Teacher Das video.
Yes.
I don't know what to say anymore.
Wow.
Did you eat, everyone?
พูดอะไรก็ได้อ๋อแล้วนี่วันนี้สระผม
Oh,
ยังไม่แห้งเลย
wet.
เปียก
Still wet.
Yeah.
Not good to like that. I don't have time to blower my hair. That's why I come here on the school with wet hair. So at least I eat. That's why, because coming here without eating can make you weak. Okay, I hope everyone you eat na so that you can have energy to continue this day. And I hope teacher, did you eat, teacher? Oh,
ยังไม่อีทเลย
Yeah.
เดี๋ยวจะไปอีท
Yeah. You eat later.
late
Oh.
yeah
She will eat later so that she has energy. Why did you not eat? No time.
yeah
Oh, see, teachers no time every time.
I am slowly alone ว่าแล้วโอนด้วย
อ๋อ
แล้วก็อโลนแล้ว
Alone.
slowly
Same teacher na. Slowly. Like that. When you
late เล
Yeah,
ย
when you are alone, sometimes you just want to take it slowly. So same with teacher that
แล้วก็
because
sleep
children go work or the twin go to school. Parang yan, no.
no alone เอา work twin my son twin to working
Same.
my husband driver taxi morning at ทุกเวลาเลย
Every time.
every time I alone
They are all busy. That's why only teacher
happy นะ
Happy din nga. She's happy being alone.
อยู่คนเดียวก็แฮปปี้ได้โอ้
Sometimes I'm lonely, teacher. Alone na.
same อันนี้ก็ alone
Yeah. Okay. That ends our video today. See you again tomorrow. Take care.
Friday
Yes.
tomorrow
See you again tomorrow. Take care and eat well. Same with teacher da. Eat well, teacher da. And always happy and always beautiful.
happy ทุกวัน
Okay. Bye-bye.
โอ้ย
Bye.
2 3 1 2 3 4 5 bye
Tree.
What the-
Okay.
bye bye okay